Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, it's Jordan the Computer Scientist here, and today I'm going to be going over classes. Technically this isn't a tutorial, this is really just me going over classes because I kind of just went over them and I want to practice them so I can have them down packed. Classes was that thing that I learned and I got passing grades in the projects that I had to do that used classes, but I never actually understood classes. And honestly, I still kind of don't. I think I have to see it in a project with a GUI and then I will understand it more, but I don't know. I'm using VS Code right now because I'm playing around in it and it looks cool. I really do like it. I honestly don't plan on using it for Java, but right now I am using it for Java in this video because I just want to show off my cool theme. So I already created a file called classes.java. So we're just going to do public class classes. I'm doing everything from scratch because this isn't Eclipse. It doesn't just pop up. I mean, it might, I don't know. So inside of a class, you have variables, and those variables are going to be called attributes. Okay, so I'm going to have number equal 8, right? Well, I have to do int number. Ha, funny me. And I'm going to make a string called name, and I'm just going to set that equal to my favorite thing to do is code. So now I'm going to create my main method. So now I have an entirely new class, but this is like my main class. So I'm going to do public static void main. Okay, so now I have my main method. So I have to create an object out of this class in order to get the attributes out of that class. So I have it named classes, so I'm going to do classes. I'm going to name it X, and it's going to equal new classes. And then under here, I'm going to print my favorite number is, and I'm going to concatenate it, and I'm going to make it x.number. So this is actually going to get the number 8 from my classes.java. And then I'm going to run this. Right here, I have my favorite number is 8 right there. And I can also print out the string. So if I just did sys out and then x dot, what did I name the string? I forgot. X dot name. And then I rerun the program. I'm gonna have my favorite number is 8 and my favorite thing to do is code right there. So we're doing pretty good. You know, we're learning a little bit. We're learning a little something. Okay, so I deleted those and I'm going to create new files. So I'm going to name it car. I like cars a lot. So because classes are blueprints for objects, I'm going to just create a car because I know a little bit about cars and I like them. So I have car.java. So in here, I'm going to have a string named car model and I'm going to have an int year made. So I can make a constructor inside of here, public car. Okay, it's working so far. And I can name it, well, I can put in parameters. So I have string name and I have int date in my parameters. So in here, I'm going to set car model equal to name and I'm going to have date equal to year made. So this is my constructor right here. So I created new variables technically in my parameter, but I set them equal to the variables up here. So I'm going to make a main file. So main.java. So I'm just going to create an object. So I have car GTR equals new car. Whoop, car. Okay, so I have car and I named my car Nissan and new car. So my model is going to be GTR. That's my dream car, by the way. And the year is 2020. Okay, so I have my favorite car model is a Nissan year made space Nissan car model. So this should be a 2020 GTR that gets printed. Zero. I got 0. I don't know what's happening. I created my object right here, you know, my Nissan. And in my parameters, I have GTR for the string and I have 2020 for the date. And when I print out this, I get the GTR, but I don't get the year made. It just says 0. Yeah, I don't know why that is. Yeah, I'm going to figure out that bug and I'm going to get back to you guys. But I am not good at classes. I'm still learning classes. That's what I learned today from classes. And I just wanted to go over it today and, you know, show you guys what I've learned so far. and I'm going to try to get a nice little program going that uses classes in Java so I can explain them a little bit more. Thank you for watching my video, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social medias. I have a Twitch now. I just play games on it. It's not really YouTube related. Also, I have a Discord. I have the link in the description. I always wanted to make it public, and now I found out how to make the link not expire. So yeah, join my Discord, everybody. In there we can talk about coding, we can talk about pretty much anything. I don't care. But the main thing that I want to do is I want to have like a gaming section. I want to have a gaming section, and I want to play games with my subscribers, because that would be cool. I mainly play Rocket League and Call of Duty. But yeah, once again, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I'm a goat, no, I'm really vicious. Got heads turning when I get the spitting. Since 16, I've been making greatness, bagging bad girls when they start to listen. Been great, so you must have missed it. Creative genius, friends are leaving.